Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to be learning the conjugation of the verb avoir, which means to have. The verb avoir, along with the verb être, are some of the most commonly used verbs, and both of them are also an auxiliary verb. If you want to learn the verb être, check out the video on my channel. I will leave a link in the description below. In today's lesson, we will be learning the present tense conjugation of the verb avoir. Watch the video till the end because we will be looking at some example phrases. Let's go, c'est parti. J'ai. I have. Notice that we haven't written E in je. According to French grammar, if the next word starts with a vowel and the previous word ends with an E, we contract the two words and make it one by adding an apostrophe in place of E. So here, instead of je, et, it becomes j'ai. Tu as, you have, il a, he has, elle a, she has, nous avons, there's a liaison between nous and avons, which makes the z sound. Nous avons, we have, vous avez, there is again a liaison between vous and avez, making vous avez. You have, ils ont, there is again the liaison between il and ont, ils ont, they have, elles ont, again the liaison between elle and ont, elles ont, they have. Both tu as and vous avez means you have, but tu as is the second person singular and vous avez is the second person plural. Another difference between tu as and vous avez is that tu as is used in an informal manner, whereas vous avez is used in a formal manner. Ils ont, which is the third person plural, is used when the nouns or the objects being mentioned are all either masculine or masculine and feminine both. But elles ont is used when the people or objects being talked about are all feminine. If you have liked the video so far, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on the notifications so that you are always notified whenever a new lesson is uploaded. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Now let's look at some examples. The first one, je un livre. Do you remember the conjugation? A. J'ai un livre. I have a book. Let's look at the next one. Tu dash un stylo. Tu as un stylo. You have a pen. Jean dash un crayon. Jean a un crayon. Jean has a pencil. To say he has a pencil, we would say il a un crayon. Marie dash un cahier. Marie a un cahier. Marie has a notebook. So she has a notebook. We have used the conjugation of Elle. Elle a un cahier. Nous dash un chat. Nous avons un chat. We have a cat. Vous dash un chien. Vous avez un chien. You have a dog. Marc et Claire dash des lapins. Marc et Claire ont des lapins. Marc and Claire have rabbits. If we were to say they have rabbits, we would use ils ont. Ils ont des lapins. Louise et Camille dash un perroquet. Louise et Camille ont un perroquet. Louise and Camille have a parrot. In order to say they have a parrot, we would say elles ont. Elles ont un perroquet. Because here both Louise and Camille are feminine nouns. Bravo! You have learned and practiced the conjugation of avoir. Make sure that you practice avoir conjugations thoroughly, as you will be using it a lot in your French speaking. That's it for today's video, and I will see you in the next video. À la prochaine. Au revoir.